Hey everybody, this is Kosho cooking in the kitchen, working on my laser 104-inch airplane. It's cold outside, so got it inside with the heater. Just wanted to go over these servos here that we just got today in the mail. The Spektrum A6350s. They're high voltage servo. We're gonna end up using 8 of them in this airplane, and basically they're gonna have a whole bunch of torque. So here's the specifications that you're looking at, and we're going to be running them at 7.4 volts. So the speed here is basically 0.11, and the torque is 725 ounce-inches per servo. So these are going to be pretty strong. Anyway, the look of them is amazing. They're super detailed, super machined. They had a really nice heat sink on them. They're going to work out real well. We're going to go ahead and use the 2-inch arms on the elevators. And here's some 70-75 aluminum servo horns. Here's one out of the package. They're already tapped for M3 hardware. And they've got your cinch screw on them. And they say Spektrum on them. So this should look pretty good in this airplane. The airplane's looking sweet. Really, really nice from Extreme Flight. I'm liking the colors. And anyway, I'll be back with some of that. So get some of these servos for yourself. They're worth it. 725 ounce-inches. Oh man.